closed. A good sign. Nice sun here. Okay, today I want to prepare for the first time pasta alla vongole. For this I bought this vongole fresh. I think so. They are fresh. So they are closed. They are all closed. And we need to flush them. We need to leave them in water, in salt water, for 20 to 30 minutes. Have a check about the time, and then I will flush the water and fill up new water. No, they are closed. Looks like good. See you later. What is really important? They start to move. You can see they start to move. So it's a good sign. They start to move. But I found this one cracked and I removed it because it's not good. It's a poison there. And you can see how they make bubbles. You see how they move? They make pluk pluk. They get outside. You see that one? This is moving, this moving, you get outside. Oh, got inside. Very good sign. I leave them in peace for about 10 minutes. Then I flush the water because they make a lot of dirt. So I need to flush them, add another water with salt and flush them again. So we have about 20 minutes left. I want to flush them and I need this, just the dirt will go down like this. Hey! Oh, how much dirt inside. Good. Let's flush them again. They make like beep with the water. Beep. Very funny. And maybe tasty. A lot of dirt, a lot of dirt. I want to put them again in water with salt for another 10-15 minutes. Let's put for them some salt. Now this. And back to school. Check again for cracked vongole or already open vongole. I'm going to leave them for another 15 minutes. After a half an hour and one flush, I want to flush them again. Let's spit water. Check again for cracked. Now we need a pan. If I can't cover them, I will use a plate. Like this. Olive oil, garlic. And now these guys are going inside. Sorry guys, but it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt you. Like really. And we close them now to make some steam. while we check our pasta water, and the pasta is okay. So what's going on now? Look at this. They are already open. Like all of them. This one not, so we don't eat him. The juice must be go here. Gorgeous. Don't eat it, please.
It's raw.
It's not. It didn't open, so I don't know if I can eat it or not. It didn't open. So what's going on? We have a juice here
It's not a
from
juice,
the
it's a liquid.
what?
It's with oil and butter. It's a sauce.
It's a sauce. It's going to be sauce. To check our pasta. No, still not. Okay, still.
And then we have a sample. Let
Take
me have
the
a sample
sample.
of that.
Okay, take the sample.
Hey, give me a small sample. Just give me a small.
Take.
Is it hot? Oh.
Put them inside.
No.
No, it will finish here. It will finish here.
It's not cooked properly.
Believe me, we will finish them here. Like this. Here we add some butter.
Okay, that's a lot.
Stir it.
More?
Yeah, the butter should be disappear inside. I want to try it. Yeah. Grana padana. No? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, she like it. Okay, now pasta is already ready.
Parsley?
Great. Now one plate. One plate. Nice. So what we have now to do is to do like this. These are going some here, and these are going some here.
I'm gonna take this, but that's it.
And this is not the finish. This is not
Parsley.
all. No. We are in Italy. In Italy, we eat.
I'm gonna have parsley. You can have I'm not gonna have basil. I'm gonna have parsley.
And basil. What you eat, put inside here. These are all empty. They
didn't empty all out.
they are very fresh. This is why.
Yeah, this is really good. Just because I'm eating a lot of them doesn't mean. Okay.
Take you all.
Okay, fine.
Let's try for the first time pasta alla vongole, and we will see what is this story about.
Just try. You try it first. Take it with the meat. Just take it.
Do you like the taste of the pasta?
Yeah. It's good.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like. It really helps the channel. If you want to see more stories like this, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next one.